You have finished walking the property and documenting your findings. Now let's review everything carefully and send your report where it needs to go. Open inspections from the top navigation. Your draft is sitting right here, waiting and clearly marked, so you always know exactly what has not been sent yet. Open the draft to review your findings. Take a moment to read through each one, because this is your chance to catch anything before it goes out the door. Every finding shows the photo you captured, the description, and the severity you set. Check that each one reads the way you want the property manager to see it. When everything looks right, tap Submit Inspection. ShoWork shows you a clear summary, including exactly how many of your findings are marked urgent. Now you choose where it goes. Send to PM shares the report with the property manager. Send to my office keeps it internal with your own vendor team. Add a short summary so the person on the other end knows the headline right away, then send it. Your completed report is on its way in seconds. Once submitted, the inspection locks so the record can never be changed. The property manager now has your findings, your photos, and full proof of the walk.